right, you guys out there, you're tuned into ITTB TV. Nah, I'm just playing, but yep, you guys, uh, that's right, you guys. From the title, you can tell I'm about to replace my grill on my car. So I ordered me a mesh grill chrome. I think I should have went with black mesh instead of chrome mesh. Just to kind of, well, I can always spray paint it too, but just to kind of have it blend in a little bit, make it look dark. And then my rims are like a grayish black. And then I have trimming on it that is black. So I think I should have went with a mesh black grill. But without further ado, let's go. Alright, so here I go. I'm about to replace my grill with my new grill. Got a new grill. Got the, what kind of grill? I got a mesh grill. Mesh grill is bolted down by 1, 2 screws. Sure, if it's coming through. My handy dandy tool bag. I think it's bolted down by more than 2 screws, but yeah, it's like 4. Supposed to be 4 screws, so 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm missing 2. Well, actually 5, because one's supposed to be right there too. Old grill. My grill been around the entire time. Yeah, whoever had this car before definitely hit something, and in the front, cause I'm see the little gap Ah, look, gum showing. Gum missing, actually. It don't look flush. I feel like I should have got mesh. I mean black mesh. Real, but I'm glad the Honda emblem is gone. That was a hard, easy job. No, I'm just playing. That was an easy job. Didn't take too long. I was having a little bit of trouble with the bottom part. There are 2 prongs on the back that insert into the bracket that is on the radiator or connected to the in front of the radiator. So yeah, probably connected to the radiator. It was off center. I believe whoever had this car prior to me may have, been in a little bit of fender bender or hit something. It's missing some pieces. It's been missing some pieces. I've had this car for 10 going on 11 years. Just starting to play with the aesthetics of it. We got the green colored lights on the inside. Green headlights. Changed the color of the emblem on the back, made it black, and now I got the chrome grille. That's also why I think I should have went with the black mesh grille instead of the chrome. But again, I can always spray paint it. Not worried. I do like the way it looks. I'm glad I got rid of the Honda emblem. So that is all. Thank you for tuning in to ITTB TV. Check you on the flip side.